And it's number 8, Butakan. Pass and a bucket for 2. Up na, agawan na naman. One lays up po, Jordan. Mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa palarong pambansa 2024 para sa laban ng Region 2 Cagayan Valley versus Region 4 Mimaropa. And jump ball action here. First ball possession for Team Cagayan Valley. First throw, 3, bang! First blood! Sa gitna, stop. Pull strip again. No good. Rebound, side step, floater off the glass. Oh! Touch. Nearest team, Region 4B. Number 13 here. Stops, pass to number 12. Pass a 3-ball. No good. Rebound. And this bucket for 2. And it's number 13 here. Dribbling the ball. Number 13. Zoom zigzag. Number 24. Crossover pull up J. Bucket is good. Pass to Butakan, number 8. Number 8 here. Pass to the corner, launches 3, bang! 3 ball. After inbound, team Region 4AB. Region 4B. Mimaropa, corner pass, fires, bucket is good, the net. No good. And here's team Region 2. Pass it there inside, bucket around off the window, bucket is good. And crosses the mid lane here. For Team Mimaropa, attacks, lays up, too strong. And rebound here, number 7, nag-zigzag, kicks to number 2, step back, drive, side step, kicks out, Butakan, wide open for 3, bang! 3-point. Alubakib, drives, fires off the glass, bucket is good. Slowly dribbling the ball, slowly going down, long 3, in and out, rebound here for number 11, bounce pass, libre off the glass. Bucket is good. 2 Cagayan Valley, number 11 na agawan. Dadalawa sila sa baba. Oop! No, easy bucket. Bounce pass. Isa pa. Oh, no, easy bucket. Takes fire. Oh, goes in. Sa wakas. The savior. Ataban. Spins na agawan na number 12. Pass break 3 on 1. Lays up, bucket is good, back to Taban. And pass to the corner, 3. Off target, rebound here at Taban, 1 Kaldag, fires, no good. And still the rebound for Cagayan Valley Region 2 at Butakan here. Attack, side steps to the middle, naagawan. And number 24, napakabilis, lays up short. And 1 dribble, fires off the glass, bucket of dude. Up na, agawan na naman, lays up, oh, Jordan. And it's number 8, Butakan, alley-oop pass, and a bucket for 2. And number 13 here, setting the play for Region 4AB, for Region 4B, number 13, spin move, pull up J, fades away, and down to 5 ang Kalamangan, down to 3 ang Kalamangan mga idol, and drive side step, lays up, bucket is good. Region 2, up by 5, pass it there, stolen, baseball pass, and eksakto yung basa, fake, scratch, supalpal. Butakan, pass to the middle. Pass to corner, spin move, Blaze, gabeng move yun. Number 33, bumalik, and pass it down there, side step, pinasa pabalik, fires. Cagayan Valley, stop, launches 3, off target, battle for the rebound. Nakuha ng Team Mimaropa, libre, picks, fires, wala pa rin. And rebound, force, pass, bucket, number 6, pass to the middle, fix, drives, pull up J, number 24, bucket. Change favor tayo mga idol, lamang ko ang Team Mimaropa, Region 4B, long 3, bang! for the lead. And here's Timmy Maropa. Holds the ball. And still, Cagayan Valley up by 1. Fakes here. Kicks out. Wild open for 3. Launch. Short. And the rebound still for Timmy Maropa. Spins. Reverse layup. Supalpal. And recover number 21. Pull up J. Won't go. Rebound here by Butacan. Butacan. Stop. Saving the play. Long 3 again. No good. 17. Nakalusot. Pass high. Number 11. Cross pass. Spins. Butacan. Drives. Habli pass. Reverse layup. Back. It's good. Back. And here's Timmy Maropa. Stop. Pull up J at 3. Short. Put back shot. Here's Timmy Maropa. Number 13 here. Pass on the inside. Number 6. Pull up J. Short. Rebound number 1. Put back. Supalpal mula sa likod. And here's Region T. Region 2. Baseball pass. For the inbound here. Backdoor inbound. For Region 2. Butacan. Kalu Bakib. Pass to the middle. Cross pass. Wild open for 3. Bang! Wala pa rin. Fires off the glass. Basket and one. Number 15. Pass there. Oop. Namun agaw. Basket and one. Nagmamadali. Number 13. Mekos lays. No good. And rebound here. Number 17. Stops. Long pass. Ataban. Pass inside. Libreng-libre. Easy bucket. And oop. Nagawan. Kalu Bagib. Oh! Recover. Drive. Babawi. Fires off the glass. 36-37. Score natin behind the back. Dribble. Sumigzag. Pass on the inside. One hook shot. Basket and one. And 40-36. Score natin mga idol. And here's number 13. Dribbling the ball. Di discarded dito. Step back. Fires a 3. No good. Rebound here. Fade away. No good. Rebound pa rin. Put back shot off the glass. Down to 2. And here you go. Stop pass inside. Corner pass off the glass for the lead. And that's the end. Number 15. Number 15 for Region 2. Passer at the mid of the corner pass. Kalu Bakib fires a triple. Bang! And here's Timmy Maropa. Long pass. Ball is stolen. Kalu Bakib. Behind the back dribble. Iniwan yung tatlo. Kicks on the corner. Fakes. Stop. Oh, floater shot off the glass. Bucket is good. And number 20 bounce pass. Number 13 drives. Minute beat. Wala. Rebound here. Para sa team Region 2. Kalu Bakib. 3 on 1. Tinasa sa likod. Pagkagandang pasa no. 240 score natin mga idol. Number 24. Kicks on the pitch. Corner fakes. Drive. Number 13. Pull up J. Bucket is good. Bitawan. And number 13 there. Nagmamadali. No look pass inside. Pinabitin pa. Pasok sa back. Number 13. 14 Maropa. Drives. Stops. Pass to number 6. Corner pass. Attack. Side step. Pinasa pa. Extra pass. Fades away off the glass. No good. Battle for the rebound. Fakes. Fade away. Rebound number 20. Kumaldag. Tumira off the glass. At the buzzer. Bucket's good. Nakagawa. Number 10. Straight space. Bucket is good. And the pass there. Kalu Bakib. Wala. Number 10. Dumaretso. Pasa. Libreng-libre. Easy bucket. Number 10. Bounce pass inside. Reverse na. For the lead. And here's number 8 Butacan. Pull up J. Bucket is good. It's number 15. Pass to number 17. Number 8 Butacan. Asking for a pick. And number 8 Butacan. Naagawan. Pass break. And all alone for the tie. Easy bucket. And between. Oops. Number 15 here. Pass high there. For Butacan, long pass, number 2, pass to the middle. Butacan launches 3. No good, nagkatapikan. Na-recover dito. Number 17, side step, lays up. Oh, ang layo ng pinanggaling. And number 10 here. For Team Mimaropa. Pass to number 6, step back, fakes, clutch, pass 3, bang! 57, all tayo mga idol. And the crossover, number 10 here, bounce pass to number 13. Number 13, he stops, launches 3, off the target, rebound here, pass break, and nauna, Atabandes, pause, and the basket! And number 10, sumangka, fade away. And here, number 7 for 3. Bang! Kalubagi! Inbound, Region 2. Cagayan Valley. Kalubakib to Ataban. Setting the play. He stops. Pass to number 11. Pass on the corner. Launches 3. Off target. Hello! Follow-up shot. Good play. Pass break. 3 on 2. Drive. Slays. Tie game. And here's Team Region 2. Kalubagi, pass to the middle. Nasabikan sa likod. Naagawan, na-recover. Nag-dive sa bola. Long pass. Exacto fires. Bagit is good for the lead. Kalubagi, pinasan. Naagawan, sakto. Tatlo sila. Lays up. No good. Put back shot. Bagit is good. And here you go. Kalubagi. Pass back, and pass to number 26, drives, pass inside, fires, libre, good play. Team Cagayan Valley, dumiretso, binitbit, kinaliwalay sa penabagit, tie game. Number 13 for Team Mimaropa, setting the play. He slowly attacks, lays up, bagit is good for the... And here's number 17, crossover. Drives, lays, bakit? Tie game! Yan, nakuha ng Team Mimaropa, number 13, crossover, drives, my foul, basket. No basket. And rebound. Oop, nag-agawan. Kicks out, number 10, drives, pass inside, the connection! And here's Kalubaki, drive, stop, pulls up 3, bang! And here's number, madali, muntik ng number 13 to number 6. Number 6 launches 3, no good, rebound, stops, pass to the middle, pinasa sa gilid. Number 2, attack side, step, pass to the middle. And Region 2 up by 1 here, last free throw, up by 2 now, Mimaropa. Oops, pass there. Nakalusot, natapikan sa likod, lays up, short. Na-rebound. On the free throw area, fires, bagget is good. Pass it there. Nakalusot. Diretso pass inside. Last throw. First throw, di pumasok. Second throw, pasok. Pass to Bakiran, nakalusot. Bakiran, pass to number 17, pinabitin. Backdoor inbound. And here you go. Pass there. Launches 3. Inasan. Pulot. Spins. Pass, bounce. Oh. Look na bitawan. Na-recover. Attacks. Philippine step. Reverse tayo. Bagay is good for the lead. And here's Team Mimaropa, number 6 drives, nakalusot. Oh, bagay is good. And here's Team Region 3. Region, natanggalin sa bados na traveling. Kalubagi, spins. Create space, launches 3. Oh, basag yan. Congratulations, Team Mimaropa, Region 4B.